Once upon a brawl, a new evil emerged. A handsome young minstrel who once charmed crowds, now fall into darkness, his smile but a shroud. A mischievous feline, known for his cute paws, now a master thief, unlocking chests and doors. A healing guitar and a friendly face, now a flaming skull, kindness gone without a trace. A delicious cookie baker, one of the best. Now a haunted castle, a ghoulish guest. This automaton once served juice. Now with his sword, your head he'll make loose. A knight turned into a nightmare. Nani and Peep now only want to scare. A fairy tale ending.